Sugar, how it's made. Are you ready for a sweet adventure into the world of sugar? Let me take you on a journey to discover how this delectable treat is made. From the humble sugarcane fields to the crystallized goodness that ends up on our plates, the process of making sugar is a fascinating blend of nature and technology. So grab your sweet tooth and let's dive into the intriguing world of sugar production. Cane sugar. 1. Cultivation and harvesting. The cultivation and harvesting of sugar cane involve a carefully orchestrated process to yield the optimal quality and quantity of this essential tropical grass. Sugar cane is typically grown in tropical and subtropical regions where it thrives in warm climates with abundant rainfall. The cultivation begins with the planting of sugar cane stalks or sets, which are sections of the cane containing buds. As the sugar cane matures, it reaches a stage of optimal sweetness, signaling the time for harvesting. Harvesting is a labor-intensive task, often done by hand or using specialist machinery. The canes are typically cut close to the ground to ensure the maximum yield of sucrose-rich stalks. Once harvested, the sugar cane undergoes transportation to a sugar mill for further processing, marking the initial step in the journey from field to refined sugar. This intricate process demands a keen understanding of agricultural practices, timing, and environmental conditions to ensure a successful sugarcane harvest. 2. Extraction of juice. The extraction of juice from sugarcane is a crucial step in the sugar production process. After the harvested sugarcane reaches the sugar mill, it undergoes a process to extract the juice contained within its fibrous stalks. This extraction is commonly achieved through crushing the cane either using rollers or a diffuser system. The pressure applied during this process ruptures the cells of the sugarcane, releasing the sugary juice. The extracted juice is then further processed to remove impurities, typically through a clarification process involving the addition of lime and heat. Once clarified, the juice proceeds to subsequent stages of concentration, crystallization, and drying, ultimately resulting in the production of sugar. 3. Clarification. Clarification is a pivotal stage in the sugarcane processing, aimed at purifying the extracted juice to enhance the quality of the eventual sugar product. The raw juice obtained from crushed sugarcane often contains impurities such as suspended solids and organic matter. In the clarification process, lime is commonly added to the juice to raise its pH and facilitate the formation of insoluble particles. These particles, along with other impurities, settle out during a sedimentation process, leaving behind a clarified juice with reduced turbidity. Heat is often applied to accelerate this settling. The clarified juice, now cleaner and more suitable for sugar crystallization, undergoes subsequent steps in the sugar production process. 4. Evaporation. Evaporation is a crucial step in the production of sugar from sugarcane. After the extraction of juice, the liquid is typically high in water content. In the evaporation process, the sugarcane juice is heated to remove excess water, concentrating the sugars. This is usually achieved by boiling the juice in large evaporators, causing the water to evaporate and leaving behind a thick syrup. The concentrated syrup serves as the foundation for subsequent stages in sugar production, including crystallization. Evaporation plays a key role in enhancing the sweetness and consistency of the sugar product by reducing the moisture content in the sugarcane juice. 5. Crystallization. Crystallization is a pivotal phase in sugar production from sugarcane. Following the concentration of the cane juice through evaporation, the concentrated syrup undergoes the crystallization process. In this step, the syrup is seeded with sugar crystals, either through the introduction of seed crystals or by natural formation. As the crystals grow, they entrap sucrose molecules, leading to the formation of solid sugar particles. The separation of these crystals from the remaining liquid is typically achieved through centrifugation, which separates the sugar crystals from the syrup. The resulting raw sugar crystals are then dried, marking a critical transition in the sugar-making process. This crystallization stage defines the quality and structure of the final sugar product, setting the stage for subsequent refining and packaging. 6. Drying. The drying stage is a critical step in the sugar production process. After the crystallization phase, the raw sugar crystals contain residual moisture and need to be dried to achieve the desired quality and storage stability. The wet sugar crystals are typically subjected to warm air in a drying apparatus, which removes the remaining moisture. This process transforms the sugar crystals into a dry and granulated form, ready for further processing or packaging. Effective drying is essential for preventing the growth of microorganisms and maintaining the sugar's shelf life. Once dried, the sugar can proceed to refining processes if necessary and is then packaged for distribution to consumers or industrial users. 7. Packaging. After the sugar undergoes the necessary processing steps, including extraction, clarification, evaporation, crystallization, and drying, the final product is ready for packaging. The packaging phase is crucial in preserving the quality, cleanliness, and shelf life of the sugar. Typically, the dried and refined sugar is packaged in various sizes and types of containers such as bags, boxes, or bulk containers, depending on the intended market and use. The packaging process involves careful weighing, filling, and sealing to ensure accurate portioning and to protect the sugar from external contaminants. Proper packaging not only maintains the sugar's quality but also facilitates transportation and storage. The labeled and sealed packages are then ready for distribution to retailers or consumers, marking the conclusion of the sugar production process. Beet sugar. 1. Harvesting. The harvesting of beet sugar involves a series of well-coordinated steps to extract the maximum sweetness from mature sugar beets. As the beets reach maturity, signaling the optimal time for harvest, they are typically uprooted from the soil. Before harvesting, the leaves are often removed in the field to ease the subsequent cleaning process. Once uprooted, the sugar beets undergo a thorough cleaning to remove dirt and extraneous matter. Following this, the beets are sliced into thin strips known as cassettes. These cassettes are then subjected to a process that extracts the sugar content, usually involving hot water. The resulting sugar juice undergoes further purification, crystallization, and drying stages to produce beet sugar. The careful timing and execution of each step in the harvesting process are crucial in obtaining high-quality sugar from sugar beets. 2. Cleaning and slicing. The cleaning and slicing process is a vital step in the production of sugar from sugar beets. After harvesting, the sugar beets undergo thorough cleaning to remove dirt and impurities. This cleaning is essential to ensure the quality of the final sugar product. Once cleaned, the sugar beets are sliced into thin strips called cassettes. Slicing is a crucial preparatory step that increases the surface area of the beets, facilitating the extraction of sugar during subsequent processing stages. The uniformity of the slices is carefully managed to optimize the efficiency of the extraction process. These cassettes are then processed to extract the sugar content, marking a key transition in the sugar production journey from field to refined product. 3. Extraction of sugar. The extraction of sugar from sugar beets involves a process where the harvested beets are cleaned and sliced into thin strips called cassettes. These cassettes are then subjected to hot water, extracting the sugar content from the beets. The resulting sugar juice undergoes purification, crystallization, and drying stages to produce beet sugar. This extraction process is a pivotal step in transforming sugar beets into the final sugar product, and it plays a critical role in determining the quality and characteristics of the end product. 4. Crystallization and centrifugation. Crystallization and centrifugation are crucial stages in the production of sugar from sugar beets. After the extraction of sugar juice, the concentrated syrup undergoes the crystallization process. This involves seeding the syrup with sugar crystals or allowing natural crystal formation. As the crystals develop, they entrap sucrose molecules, forming solid sugar particles. The subsequent step is centrifugation, where the sugar crystals are separated from the remaining liquid using centrifugal force. This process efficiently extracts the crystallized sugar, producing raw sugar crystals. These crystals are then dried, marking a pivotal phase in the sugar-making process, defining the quality and structure of the final beet sugar product. 5. Drying and packaging. Following crystallization, the sugar crystals undergo a crucial drying process to remove residual moisture. This step ensures the sugar's stability and quality. Once dried, the sugar is ready for packaging. The packaging phase involves carefully weighing and sealing the sugar in various containers such as bags or boxes, depending on the intended market. Proper packaging not only preserves the sugar's quality but also facilitates transportation and storage. Labeled and sealed, the packaged sugar is then ready for distribution to retailers or consumers, concluding the beet sugar production process. Conclusion. In conclusion, the production of sugar, whether derived from sugar cane or sugar beets, involves a meticulously orchestrated process. From cultivation and harvesting to extraction, clarification, evaporation, crystallization, and drying, each step plays a vital role in transforming raw plant material into the refined sugar we use daily. The careful management of these processes ensures the quality, sweetness, and purity of the final product. With a combination of agricultural expertise and industrial precision, sugar production reflects a harmonious blend of nature and technology, delivering the sweetener that has become a staple in our lives. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.